Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the language and currency on Amazon using a computer, like a Mac, Windows PC, Chromebook, or Linux device. First, open a web browser on your computer and go to the Amazon website. Sign into your Amazon account if you're not already logged in. Once you're signed in, look at the top of the page near the search bar and select the flag icon. This opens the language and region settings. After clicking the flag icon, Amazon will show you the Change Language and Currency Settings page. In the Language Settings section, you'll see a list of all the languages Amazon supports. Select the language you want to use from the drop-down menu. This will make it your default language across the Amazon website. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes, or the equivalent button shown in your selected language, to apply the new settings. Once saved, Amazon will refresh and display the site in the language you chose. You can now browse and shop in your preferred language. On the same settings page, you also have the option to change your default currency. This lets you view product prices in the currency you use most often. And that's how you change the language and currency on Amazon using a computer. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.